All right, welcome again to Moniebook. Okay, for the benefit of this video, we'll be looking into how to maybe you made a transfer from warehouse to your branch, or you made mistake, or you found out that your staff made a transfer from a particular warehouse to a particular branch, and they made mistake. And how do you correct it? Okay, I'll be using this dashboard for this explanation, and I believe at the end of this video you will be able to correct every mistake that was made during stock transfer from a particular branch to another. Okay, it's very simple and we'll just walk through it. Okay, shout out to this our BO, as in this business is doing marvelously well. This is how to make use of money point. Okay, this is how to make use of money point. They are logging their payment accordingly. The ones that is meant for Moniebook is going to the one that is made for money point is logged through money point. The ones that are paid through cash is logged through cash, and the one that is paid through POS is logged through POS. They are doing this is a sample of how businesses should be using Moniebook. Okay, so in this video we'll just look at how to correct any mistake that is made during transferring stock from one branch to another. All right, okay, so once you are logged into your dashboard like this, okay, you just go ahead and click on this stock management. Okay, stock management, you click on it. Once you click on it, you come down to stock transfer, and you'll be seeing list of all the whole transfer that was made in your business so far. You can now trace back to the list that you want to correct. Maybe this might you make it up to 100 rows so that you see more. Okay, now let's just assume that this transfer order that was made on 17th March 2026 is the one that we want to correct. For instance, you click on it. Once you click on it, it opens. Okay, from here you'll be seeing the order number, status, marked to receive, date created, and expected date of delivery, the staff that created it, the source branch, and the destination branch. The source branch being the branch that you was sent from, and the branch is going to. Okay, now once we've seen it, we will be seeing the item transferred. Okay, it says that this particular side mirror Bajaj item that was transferred, the order quantity is 150. That means from the source branch here, they transferred 150 from the source branch, which is the warehouse, to the main branch, which is the innovation, they call it innovation. Okay, now, for instance, now this 150 quantity that was transferred was not meant for this main branch. Maybe it was meant for another branch, or they're not supposed to transfer this 150 from the warehouse, maybe this particular warehouse at the estate. You understand? They're not supposed to transfer it from that point. Maybe they're supposed to transfer from another warehouse. So how do you correct it? We just note this. You just note the quantity and the source branch is coming from. Okay. Now, what you have to do is come back to stock adjustment. Under that same stock management, come back to stock adjustment to adjust the number. It's just a simple act of adjusting the number. Okay, now you come back. Once you get to this stock adjustment, you click on adjust stock. Once adjust stock opens, all right, now we are just halfway to solving our challenge. Okay, click on the branch that you want to adjust. Remember that the item was moved from a warehouse before, and now that warehouse was not supposed to be debited the item. Okay, what do? We just go back to that particular estate warehouse and click on select the branch as the warehouse branch. Then since the item has already been removed from the warehouse, we log the reason for the adjustment to be received. That means we are receiving it back. Okay, now we can now come here and select the item that we want to adjust. The item they sent 150 before was a side mirror, I think. Yes, we'll type the name. Once we type the name will come out here. This is it, and you select it. Now it will show you the item name and the current stock there, then show you add stock. Now this add stock is the a stock that we are now going to correct back. Okay, they sent 150 out before, so we will now enter 150. Then if we press save now, it will add that 150 that was transferred out back again. You see, we've corrected the warehouse own. Once we just press save now, this 150 that was transferred out will be added back. Now, what happens to the branch that the transfer that received the transfer was that was done initially? What happens to them? Okay, after we have saved this, for the sake of this video, I didn't save it, but once you save it, the money, the quantity will be moved back. So we will now go back to the the same stock adjustment, this stock adjustment, and click on adjust stock again. Now, what we want to adjust now is the branch that received the 150 before, being the ones that received the adjustment mistakenly. So the innovation main shop received it before, so the branch will be selected as the innovation shop, and the reason for adjustment in this time around will not be received because they've already received the item, but in error. So now the reason for the adjustment becomes, let's just call it damage. We will log it as a damage so that we wipe it off the system. Okay, we log it as damage. Okay, now once we log it as damage, then we can now come back here and now select the item. Now we type in the item, that same item they received before, the name, side mirror. Okay, now here is it. Now you can see that you see the item name and the current stock that we already have here. Now you under the remove stock, which is the one we are to remove, we type in the 150 that was transferred initially. With this now, we can see that stock after have decreased to 772 from the total 922 it used to be before. And if we go ahead and save this adjustment up here now, if we go ahead and save it, automatically this quantity will be removed. So this is how you correct a wrong transfer. Go to the branch that that sent the under stock adjustment. Under stock adjustment, you go to the branch that sent the stock and adjust it. That means add it back to them. You understand? You go to the branch that sent the stock and add it back to them. Then go to the same branch that received it and remove it. It's very simple. It's very simple. I hope this video is self-explanatory. In case you don't understand it, I understand. We learn through repetition. Okay, you just go over it again. I believe the thing will start making sense to you. Okay, just go over it again, see how it was done, then save it accordingly, and the whole challenge will be solved. All right, thank you and enjoy Moniebook.